Hello friends, welcome to our new video. I am Vivek and in this video I am going to show you how to activate order notes on your cart page in your Shopify store. So let's get started. To begin with, let's first outline what we are going to cover in this tutorial. First we will see steps to activate order notes in your cart page. After that, we will see how to edit the text of this order notes label. Next to it, we will verify the value of order notes is displayed in the order details. Also, in the end, we will discuss another way to store a product related information in the order. So let's get started. So first we will start with the steps to activate order notes in your cart page. To do that, simply go to your online store in your Shopify admin. Now here click on the customize button. Go to the theme settings. Here go to the cart section and here check the enable cart note checkbox and save it. Please note, you will find this option to enable cart note in all the free themes provided by the Shopify. Now let's go back to our online store and see that this order note is appeared in the cart page. So this is our one of the product and we are adding it to cart. Now let's go to view cart. So here you can see that this order special instruction starts appearing at the cart page. So this is our first step. Now the next we will see how to change this order special instruction text here. You can do it from your Shopify admin. So let's get back to our Shopify admin. Here click on in the online store. Here click on the 4 more options and click on the edit default theme content. Here search for this order special instruction string. Here let's say if I am changing it for the gift notes. And save it. So you will see that this particular text is changed in the front end also. Let's go back to our online store and refresh it. So here you can see that the text label text is now updated. Moving on to our next step, which is verifying the value of these gift note is getting stored in the order detail as well. So let's add some sample value here. So I have added a test value here with this order and I am placing this order. Also please note that the value of order notes will not appear on the checkout page. Okay, so now we have placed this test order and now let's go back to our Shopify admin and see the value of the order note getting appeared. So this is our Shopify admin. Here let's go to order. So this is the order that we just placed. Here you can see there's a note section and here you can see the sample note value for testing. This is the value we entered while placing the order. So this is how the order nodes in your Shopify works. Let's discuss one more thing. As you can see, this particular order nodes appears on the cart page for all kind of orders. If you enable it from the admin, it will appear in the all kind of orders. But now sometimes you can have a requirement where you want this particular information to be attached with a particular product. So one of the way to do that is by adding a custom text field within the order page instead of the cart page. So here, so I'm talking about this particular custom text field here, and if you add this value, if you create this custom text field and add it to cart, so here you will see that the value of this custom text is added with the cart in the cart also along with the product. And once we go to the cart page, you will see that this particular text field starts appearing with the product also. And if we place this order, this particular text field will go with to the checkout page. Here you can see that the custom text field retains the checkout page, as well as it will be added, it will be shown in the order detail page as well. So this is one of the way. If you are interested in to know how we can add this custom text, you can follow our one of the tutorial. So we have covered this tutorial to show this custom text on the product page in one of our previous tutorial. I am giving the link of this tutorial in the description. You can check out it. So that's all for the video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such Shopify tips and tricks. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep making progress in your Shopify journey. Thank you.